Hello my YouTubers, today I'll be showing you this amazing duplex here in Enugu. Ekulu phase 6 extension, and this duplex is going for just 80 million, and it's on pre-sale price. It's on pre-sale because when it's done, I think it will sell for 100 million, yeah, thereabout. This is the road. This one leads to the tarred road. Then this is 1 and this is 2. Fully detached. As you can see, that opening there is the entrance to that one, and this opening here is the entrance to this one. So we'll be checking them out. So in case you should know, you can see people down there. Let me try and zoom in. There's a bungalow we sold here. It's a fully detached bungalow. It was sold for 50 million each. So if you want to see this bungalow and design, you can leave a comment and I'll send it to your WhatsApp. But on the meantime, let's check this one out. As you can see, this is the space. You can park your car here, or you can, have a little garden. This obit something. You can put it up here, and then park your car here. So let's check it out. I like the rise. I like that the foundation is high. So this would be a massive door. Then there you go. The visitor's toilet should be there. Then this is the parlor. So let me turn. See how the entrance is. You enter, you see the visitor's toilet by the left. Then this is the parlor. It's a small parlor though. And this is the staircase. And here you can keep your solar here. Yeah. Then this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. And here is the room downstairs, right? So you have one room down here. So let's go up. It's quite an amazing project, since it didn't cost that much. So this is another sitting room upstairs here. So this is like children's sitting room. You can see it has its own corridor here. There'll be a door here as well. So this is room, and this is another room. So there'll be a door here. So room, and masters. So let's check out the masters. Very spacious. Wow. This would be like your wardrobe, and here can fit in your jacuzzi as well. So this is okay. This is for the masters. So you can come here and take a look. So you can see how this area looks. It's a built up environment. People are already living everywhere. So if you love this video and you want me to help you secure this property, kindly reach out to me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started. I love my job. Bye bye.